Open up your ALIPAY app. Then you click on account. Then you click on balance. Then here you go. You have your ALIPAY balance right here. Now, how can you add money to this particular balance in your ALIPAY without any stress? Currently, you can see my available balance right here, and I'm going to simply add more money to it. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Tauba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to fund your ALIPAY account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay your supplier in ALIPAY or your WeChat Pay, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go simply exit from my ALIPAY right here and start the process of adding money to the ALIPAY. For that, go ahead and open up this particular app right here. After you open up the app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on send money. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, enter the value of the yuan you want in your ALIPAY. I need yuan worth of 50,000. So let's try and see 241. So 241 will give me 50,000.7 kobo. So I have to make sure I scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on continue right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on select or capture keyhard the image. Then I'll go ahead and click on from gallery. I'm going to search for my QR code payment on my phone gallery. Then select my QR code payment. Having selected my QR code payment, I'll click on done right here. Just like so. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down right here and then simply click on continue right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down right here and simply go ahead and click on pay now. Then go ahead and click on pay now. Enter my payment password and then click on proceed. Successfully created a RMB transaction of this amount. In a few, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on done right here. Then by the time I refresh my app right here, you'll find out that this wallet balance here is going to disappear from this particular balance right here. And then you see the amount I have right now. By the time we scroll down right here, we're going to have pending of RMB right here. So in a few minutes, this money will be successfully credited to my ALIPAY. Take a look at the time we place order from this app for RMB, and then we check back and see if the order has been successfully completed and track the progress of the order in my ALIPAY app. By the time I refresh my account after a few minutes, then you'll find out that the transaction is now completed. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and check the confirmation of this payment in my ALIPAY. So I'm going to exit from this app right here, and then I will go ahead and simply open up my ALIPAY right here. After open up my ALIPAY, next thing I need to do is to simply click on message right here. Go ahead and click on my notifications right here. Now I have a payment of 241 yuan in my balance. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and check my current balance now. For that, go ahead and click on account right here. Then go ahead and click on balance. Then here we go. We have the balance being added up right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your ALIPAY app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, iDoFish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to top up your ALIPAY account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.